Disclaimer: this is an imaginary story. Please don't relate it with any idol or any other person. It's nothing related to anyone's life. It's pure work of fiction. Any resemblance to actual persons, living or dead, or actual events is purely coincidental. It's a Note 7 story. If you are solo stand and can't see other members, then this story isn't for you. You are on wrong channel. Watch the story carefully, then comment. Be respectful and don't embarrass yourself. Whatever pics are shown in this story, they all have been taken from Google and Pinterest. The credit for them goes to their real owner. Storyline and voice are mine, so please don't copy that. Arthur's point of view. Jin went to his room after giving Hobie Dragon Pulsey to clean and went to his room for sleeping. Yoongi stayed at home. Minnie heard Yoongi and Hobie's conversation about Jin that he had a headache. He remembered when he had a headache and Jin gave him oil massage. He went to kitchen and brought cooking oil and massaged Jin's hair with it. Jin thought it was Soyun. Jin and Minnie were sleeping peacefully in Jin's room. Yoongi saw them and decided to not disturb them. Everyone returned home. Tea cook requested Yoongi to prepare snacks, but he denied because if they had snack, then they wouldn't eat their dinner. They requested him to prepare French fries, but Yoongi denied because of his laziness. Hobie agreed to prepare French fries, but cooking oil was missing. They were searching the cooking oil. Jin woke up when he found something wet. He checked Minnie's side and misunderstood that he might have wet the bed. He started shouting at Minnie, but Minnie smiled. Hearing this shouting, everyone ran there. Jin told them that Minnie wet the bed. Nobody believed him. T found the oil bottle on the bed and told everyone that oil leaked from the bottle. Minnie told everyone that he gave Jin oil massage. After knowing he got head massage from cooking oil, he became mad, but seeing Minnie's red palm, his eyes softened. He took Minnie to washroom and gave him bath. Yoongi and Minnie's cute bickering were going on. Minnie kept denying the dress which Yoongi brought for him. He was so frustrated. June came there. Minnie complained him about Yoongi. He understood their bickering and took him to dress him up. Let's see what happens next. Except Hobie and Jin, everyone was in the living room. Teacock were doing their homeworks and June was teaching them while massaging Yoongi's legs, who was laying on the couch on his stomach. Minnie was sitting while looking at everyone. He doesn't have anything to do. Minnie. What Minnie do? Minnie no work. Yoongi, eat us. Aren't you satisfied to increase our work? Minnie went to Yoongi and bite on his upper arm. Kitty hat. Yoongi shrugged his shoulder and Minnie fell. Minnie, bad kitty, push Minnie. Cook, Minnie, are you alright? Yoongi, you should have asked me that I'm alright or not. This little chick has teeth like Dracula. June rubbed Yoongi's upper arm. You are a mafia hang. You couldn't bear an innocent bite. Yungi, innocent bite, hmm? In Mafia Field, we fight with weapons, not with teeth. Check this little chick's teeth. He's a bloody Dracula. Minnie, bloody Dracula. T, Minnie, don't use this word. It's bad word. Minnie, bad word? Kitty she bloody Dracula. Minnie she bloody Dracula too. Cook looked at Yungi. If Jin Hyang comes to know that you taught Minnie cursing word, he would throw you out of the house. Yungi, what cursing word? I didn't teach him any cursing word. June looked at Yungi. Bloody is cursing word. Yungi, since when? June, always. Minnie, bloody kitty, bloody big body, bloody titty, bloody cookie, bloody Minnie, bloody books, bloody couch, bloody everyone. June held his forehead. Here we go. Yungi, hey, little chick, don't use that word. Minnie looked at Yungi. Bloody Minnie, no bloody. Listen, bloody kitty, bloody, bloody, bloody. Yungi, this much fast he didn't learn anything as he learned cursing word. Now what should we do? T, we have to divert his mind and engage him in other thing as soon as possible. Otherwise, nothing will save you from Jin Hyang's anger. June, Minnie, come here. I will teach you how to write. Minnie looked at June. Bloody Minnie, no, come bloody big party. June looked at Yungi. Well taught. Yungi, little chick, go and water the plants. Plants must be waiting for you to talk. Go and water them. I mean, talk with them. Minnie looked at Yungi. Bloody Minnie, no, go bloody plant. Bloody cookie, water, bloody plant. Cook, Minnie, you know Hobie Hang brought the new karaoke set. Minnie, what kala kali okay? The karaoke, Minnie, means you can sing on mic. Wait, let me bring that. T went and quickly brought karaoke set. He set it on the TV and turned off the mic. Minnie was looking at the screen with amused eyes. First time he saw something like this. T, Minnie, which song you wanna listen? I will sing for you. Minnie snatched the mic from T's hand. Minnie, sing. T, you know song? Minnie, no song, said proudly. Minnie sing big body, titty, cookie, kitty, clap, clap, dancey, dancey. He climbed on the couch and June sat on the floor beside Tea Cook. Yungi was still laying on the couch. Minnie couldn't see that he kicked Yungi and pushed him down. More likely, June pulled him down. Minnie, Kitty, no sleepy, sleepy. Minnie, stage. Kitty, clap, clap, dancey, dancey. Yungi, this little chick kicked me. June whispered in Yungi's ear. Let him do his state concert. Minnie, smooth like butter, like kitty under cover, titty pop like double, big body breaky things like that, oh yeah. Cool hoopa stunner, yeah, like mama pitty hair, cookie shaky legs, Minnie cutie, oh yeah. Minnie was singing in full idol aura. Singing and dancing together. Everyone was smiling to see his cute steps and lyrics. Yungi patted June's shoulder. Which song he brutally murdered? June smiled. Butter. Yungi, let's pray. Hype, don't sue us for ruining their iconic song. Minnie showed mic to everyone. Dancey, dancey, Minnie. Teacock June raised their hands. We are dancing, see? Minnie kicked Yungi, who wasn't dancing. Why Kitty no dancey, dancey? Kitty dancey, dancey? Yungi, dramatically fell on the floor. We shouldn't dance. We should cry and apologize for ruining this song. Hobie came there with his tray of french fries, potato chips, and milkshake. What's happening here? Minnie. Oba, Minnie sing, Titi dancey dancey, Cookie dancey dancey, Big body dancey dancey, Kitty no dancey dancey. Yungi, and he kept kicking me like football. Hobie, very bad Yungi Hang. You should appreciate Minnie's efforts. Minnie looked at Hobie. Hoba dancey dancey, Minnie sing. Hobie placed the snacks tray on the center table. Of course I will. I am always ready for dancing. Minnie became happy to know this. He again climbed on the couch and stood up. He looked at everyone's happy face and again started singing in his cute broken voice while banging his head in air. Smooth like butter, like kitty undercover, titty pop like trouble, big body bricky things like that, aha. Cool hopa stunner, yay, like mama pretty hair, Cookie shaky legs, mini cutie, oh yeah. Hobie, while dancing, oh wow, Butter, did you remember it was Soyu Nuna's favorite song? Tea, of course we remember, how can we forget that? Cook, baby loves this song so much, it always kick harder when this song play. June, one day we went on mall to bring stuffs. There this song was playing. Nona suddenly started crying. Tea. And when we asked, she said, baby was kicking harder. Cook. Baby was dancing. Yungi, and I was her all-time favorite dance partner. She used to dance with me. One time at night, 3 a.m., I was sleeping peacefully and she poured whole jug of water on my face. I was so scared. I thought what might have happened, but she said she was craving to dance. Baby wanted to dance. I couldn't understand until she dragged me in living room and made me wear headphones in full volume. Yang was feeding her and she was dancing with me. June, and do you remember she loved to climb on the couch and do her own concert? T. Couch. One day she climbed on the dining table while cleaning and playing broom like guitar. Cook, and Jin Hyang always scolded us for letting her do crazy things. Yungi, during her pregnancy, I didn't breathe that much. I got scoldings from Hyang's. Hobie, yeah, but Hyang was so caring. He ordered custom made small concert stage style couch for her so that she could do her own concert without risking her life. T. There was all of our name carved. Yungi, and instead of my name, there was an image of sleepy cat holding broom like a mic stand. Cook, ah, those days were so amazing. Daily, something unexpected happened. T. Yeah, Everyone wiped their happy tears. Hobie looked at Minnie. Minnie, you sing so well. Minnie, Hobba happy happy. Hobie smiled. Hobba not happy happy. Hobba super happy happy. June, by the way, Minnie, where did you listen this song? Minnie, long hair mama house. Cook, long hair mama. Tea, he must be referring Shojun Nuna. Minnie, Minnie love butter song so much. Minnie, long hair mama dancey clap clap. Tea, but Shojin Nuna didn't like song. She found it so irritating. She always turned off the music system. Cook, yeah, so many times she had fight with Shoyun Nuna. June, maybe during pregnancy she changed her habit. Hobie, by the way, don't you think Minnie has no quality of Shojin Nuna? He is similar to Shoyun Nuna. Yungi, yeah, like Shoyun Nuna, he also massaged Hyang's head and his head gone. T. Minnie was smiling when Jin Hyang was scolding him just like Shoyun Nuna. She never took Jin Hyang's scolding seriously. She always smiled and shrugged off. Cook. Minnie never gave up like Shoyun Nuna. If he wants anything, then he would get by anyhow. June, just like Nuna and her baby. Minnie also loves to annoy Yoongi Hyang. Yoongi, she used to call me sleepy cat and little chick called me kitty. How can there be so many similarities between them when they have never met with each other? Nona died 5 years ago and Minnie was born 3 years after her death. June, it's just a coincidence. I read DNA can match with ancestors too, even with 7th great parents with whom even their great grandparents have never met. So maybe he got Jin Hyang's quality as Hyang and Shojin Nona were identical twins. It could be possible Minnie got the quality of Hyang and Shoyun Nona's unborn child. Hobie, you have point. Looked here and there. Minnie? Now where did this boy go? Yoongi, sit on the couch. Maybe washroom? Hobie, you all start having your snacks. Let me bring Minnie. About to go, but Swamini was happily coming. Hobie, Minnie, where did you go? Minnie happily showed him ice cream. Ice cream! June took his coffee and sat on the couch. Minnie, Hobie Hank prepared french fries and potato chips. Eat that. Minnie sat on the floor with a plate of potato chips. Minnie, eat tasty chips. Ice cream. Dipped the chips in the ice cream and ate. Tasty. Hobie looked at Minnie with the famous judgmental face and bombastic side eyes. Minnie, how can you eat chips with ice cream? It's so ew. Minnie looked at Hobie. Hoppa, no ew. Tasty. Yoongi, why are you guys so shocked to see him eating weird combination? He is little chick. He was born weird, and if we go on June's DNA theory, so Shoyun Nona once dipped kimchi in my black coffee and ate. None of the combination can beat her pregnancy craving. They all were having the snacks and judging Minnie's weird combination and connecting it with Shoyun's pregnancy. Jin came there after taking shower. He saw Minnie was eating potato chips with ice cream. His feet stopped at their place. His eyes went widened. Jin shocked. Soyun? He couldn't believe on his eyes. His hands turned cold. He was continuously blinking and rubbing his eyes. He ran to his room. Jin locked the door. No, 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 no. This can't be possible. He can't be Shoyun. Shoyun died 5 years ago. Slapped himself. Jen, wake up. Slap. Wake up, Jen. Slap. He is Minnie, Shojin's son. Your Shoyun died. She can't come back. Looked himself in the mirror. He is he isn't Shoyun, said with shaky voice and sweating hard. I'm just overthinking. Nowadays, I'm missing Shoyun so much. That's why I'm finding similarities in between Minnie and Shoyun. There is nothing like this. This is all my misconception. No! He is my Shoyun! Pull the blanket, sheet, pillows, everything and throw them on the floor. My Shoyun returns for me. She knew I was alone. That's why she came back as Minnie. Shoyun! Jin broke down. Why? Because he was suffering from the stage 4 prolonged depression. Minnie's behavior was triggering him. He was hiding it from everyone, but in Minnie's presence, he failed to hide it more. Prolonged depression. It's not an official diagnosis it itself, but it referred to depression that lasts for a very long time, often years, especially when it's linked to unresolved grief or trauma. It's also known as persistent depressive disorder, PDD, or dysthymia. In simple terms, when any depression stays for more than time, like years, it becomes prolonged depression. When a person is totally broken from inside but pretends as fine. Jin was at stage 4. For more details, visit Google. Time skipped after some times. T came to call Jin for dinner but found door was locked from inside. He banged the door and called Jin, but he didn't get any response from Jin. Now he got panicked. He went to everyone and told them this. Everyone ran there. They searched the key but couldn't find it. They kept banging the door and called Jin, but Jin didn't respond. Minnie started crying while banging the door. He again remembered how he was banging the door of Operation Theatre, but his mama didn't open the door. Seeing him crying, Teacup cried too. They tried to take him out, but he wasn't ready to go anywhere. Emotions are dangerous things. If they spill out, they destroy. If they stay buried, they root you from within. For 5 years, Jin carried the weight of silence, the pain no one saw, but now his mask is cracking. Will the family save the men who once protected them? through every storm, or will they lose him too, like Shoyun? Will everyone save Jin before it's too late? Will they discover about Jin's long term depression? Is Minnie really Jin's healer or his triggering point? To be continued. Author's note. That's it for today. I hope you all liked it. How was Minnie's bonding with everyone? How was Minnie's version of butter? Which one do you like the most? Tea's Mona Lisa version, Cookie's ideal version, or Minnie's butter version? Next, which song you want me to ruin by baby version? Depression is very dangerous illness. A depressed person can do anything. How will Kim family handle the situation where they don't have any backing of Jin? They don't rely on him. Elder one or the person who is the base and join everyone when shattered, then it's very hard to manage the situation. Let's see how will Mafia family and Minnie handle the situation. I hope you all enjoyed it. We will meet soon with next part. Till then, take care of yourself. Love you all. If you like this story, then please do like, subscribe, share, and comment. I assure you that you will never gonna regret on your decision. Thanks for watching.